Hi guys. Um, Hi guys. Today we have a system of two equations. I call the equation 1 and 2 in the screen. And let's work together to find the values of x and y. But before we start the solution, I would call for your support. Please give me a subscribe, a like and share the video to encourage me to continue making interesting video and to continue the love of math. Okay, so let's work together. So for the equation 1, I have x plus y plus xy equal 5, and then to solve for x plus y is equal 5 minus xy. Now I want to square x plus y, so I want to square both sides. This one, this is equation, I call it equation 3. Then square both sides. Equation 3 to half. So I would have x plus y square is equal 5 minus xy square, and this is equal x square plus 2xy plus y square, and on the right side is 25 minus 2 times 5 times xy, which is negative 10xy, and plus xy square. I want to move this 2xy to the right side, and on the left side it's just x square plus y square. So I would have x square plus y square is equal 25. Here is a positive 2xy, move to the right side, it's become negative 2xy. Combined with this one, I would have minus 12xy and plus xy square. I want to replace x square plus y square here into the equation 2. So I would have replace x square plus y square equal 25 minus 12 xy plus xy square into equation 2 to half. So what we have, instead of xy square, it's gonna be 25 minus 12 xy plus xy square minus xy is equal 3. Then all the thing here now we just have is xy, so I want to combine xy, and I print xy square in the front, so I would have xy square minus 13xy, and then I move 3 to the left side, become negative 3, so 25 minus 3 gonna be plus 22 is equal 0. And now this will look like a quadratic equation, so we less I would put it here, less t is equal xy, then the equation gonna be t square minus 13t plus 22 is equal 0. Now we solve for t, we factor this one, and we would have t minus 2 and t minus 11. So 2 times 11, negative 2 times negative 11 is 22, so negative 2t and negative 11t, negative 13t, so that's good. So then we have t equal 2 or t is equal 11. And then we have two cases. The first case is t equal 2, which is equal xy. And now we solve for x square, x plus y. Go back here. Equation 3, we have x plus y is 5 minus xy. So we have from equation 3, we have x plus y is equal, I want to go back again, I forgot. This is gonna be 5 minus xy, so which is 5 minus 2 is equal 3. And then we have another here for t is equal 11 and equal xy. Then we would have x plus y is equal 5 minus 11, which is this one, negative 6. So we have two cases. The first case is a system of xy is equal 2 and x plus y is 3. And the next one we have the system is xy is equal 11 and x plus y is equal negative 6. So we solve for this one. From the first system we would have y is equal 3 minus x. So we replace this back into this one. So we would have x times 3 minus x is equal 2. So that's negative x squared plus 3x. And I bring 2 to the left side. So I bring 2 to the left side. It's going to be negative minus 2 is equal 0. I want to get rid of the negative here. So multiply by negative 1. I would have x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. And then factor this out. We would have here, this would be x minus 2 times x minus 1. Then we would have one solution, x is equal 2 or x equal 1. And we know that y is equal 3 minus x. So here y is equal 3 minus 2 is y equal 1. And this one is y equal 3 minus 1, so y is equal 2. So for this one, we would have here, the first pair is 2, 1, and the second pair is we have 1, 2. Okay, so we get back to the second case. Similar from this equation, we would have y is equal minus 6 minus x. So we replace back into this equation. So we have x times minus 6 minus x is equal 11. So this is negative x squared minus 6x. And move 11 to the left, it's going to be minus 11 equals 0. And similar, I multiply by negative 1, I would have x squared plus 6x plus 11 equals 0. This equation, this quadratic equation is no solution because discriminant b squared minus 4ac is equal 6 squared minus 4 times 11, which is 36 minus 44, and this is equal negative 8, which is less than 0. So the equation has no real solution. So we have no real solution for this one. So we only have two pair of equation here. If x equal 2, y equal 1, and x equal 1, y equal 2 to this system of two equations. Okay. This kind of long solution today, but hope you enjoy the solution. And please give me a subscribe, like and share the video to encourage me to continue working. Thank you and see you in the next video.